Today I want to talk around the transistor, which is a component that's so useful in an electronic circuit. As you can see in this picture, transistor has three leads: emitter, base, and collector. So I want to explain the transistor by the water channel simulations. Here we have two input and one output for the water channel. If we want to flow the water from top to the bottom, it just needs a low amount of the water flow from this channel. So in the next picture you can see that when we have water here, the piece of wood changed the position and the water flowed from top to the bottom. Here we have simulations of the transistor. Here is the base, collector, and the emitter. Here is a simple circuit by the transistor. So if I run the simulations, if I close the switch, we have current which flowed from this source to the ground, and when I open the switch, the current is stopped. Have a nice day, my friends.